Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to save draft reels in gallery from Instagram. Let's get started. Open Instagram and go to your profile, then tap the plus button at the top, then choose reel. At the top, select draft to see all your saved drafts. Then find the draft you want to save and tap on it. Then press edit in the top right corner to open it in the editor. Now, tap the download icon, select the arrow pointing down at the top, and this will save the reel directly to your phone's gallery or camera roll. Then, exit Instagram and open your gallery app and you'll see the reel saved as a video file ready to use. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.